Is your Hisense, TCL, Sony or Samsung smart TV showing a blinking white power light and refusing to turn on? No need to panic. In most cases, it's just a small glitch and you can get it working again in minutes. Let's dive in. First, let's try the easiest fix that actually solves most blinking issues. Unplug your TV completely from the wall. If it's on a surge protector, smart plug or power strip, remove it entirely. Now, wait 10 seconds. I know it seems short, but trust me, this little pause is important. Plug your TV directly into the wall outlet, and yes, the white light might still blink. That's normal. Don't touch anything yet. Just wait 2 full minutes. After 2 minutes, press the power button on the TV itself. Give it a few seconds. If your TV turns on, amazing, you just solved it. If not, keep watching, because we're just getting started. Before we move on, if this video helps you, hit like and subscribe. It actually helps others find these fixes too. If your TV is still blinking, it's time to drain any leftover electrical charge. Unplug the TV again, then press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. This clears residual energy that can block startup. Next, disconnect every device, streaming sticks, game consoles, soundbars, everything. Plug the TV back in and try powering it on. If it works now, reconnect your devices one by one to figure out which one caused the problem. Still not working? Let's check the basics. Try a different wall socket. Sometimes a single outlet just doesn't deliver consistent power. Inspect your power cable for bends, knots, or damage. Clean the connector. Dust or corrosion can interfere. If you have a compatible spare cable, try swapping it. Often, this step alone can fix blinking lights without touching anything else. Now let's tackle deeper software issues. For Vizio TVs, press and hold the volume down and input buttons for 15 seconds. Release the volume button, but keep holding input for 10 more seconds. Then power on. For other smart TVs, like Samsung, LG, Sony, TCL, and most others, try a soft button reset. Unplug the TV. Hold the power button on the TV for 10 to 15 seconds. Or, if you have a remote, some TVs, like Samsung, allow a reset by holding power and volume down on the remote for 10 to 15 seconds. These resets often solve persistent white light blinking caused by software glitches. And that's it. If this helped, like, subscribe and comment which fix worked for you.